Welcome back to the channel. I'm Crazy Hillbilly,
And I'm Junior.
and you're watching Crazy Hillbilly Cooking and Adventures. We've been out here working in the shop today, trying to get it all insulated so we can keep it warm. Got a big job working. But everybody's hungry, so today we're making some homemade tuna mac on the wood stove. This is a 2-pound box of macaroni. There's only 4 or 3 of us eating tonight, so I'm only going to use about half of this. We got our water up to a rolling boil. That's about a half a box of our elbow noodles. We're going to use the rest of this for some chili mac later on in the week. Got our 1 pound of noodles boiling. As soon as they become al dente, we will drain off the water and start adding our other ingredients. Couldn't really get our stove hot enough for a rolling boil. We do kind of got a temporary system for our heater exhaust, and we have to watch how hot we get it so we don't burn down the shop. Our noodles have now reached the desired doneness, so now we're going to, the handles are very hot on this thing from being on top of that stove, so we're going to take them outside, drain off the water, and we'll be right back. Alright, we got our noodles all drained out. We lowered the lid on the stove so we don't need the hot heat no more, just enough to keep it warm. We're going to go in with a stick of butter. We got 2 pounds of cheese here. Probably going to use around half of it. We like it cheesy. We'll start off there. We got some heavy whipping cream. Put a good splash of that in there. We can always add more. Then we're going to stir all this up and get it all incorporated and melted. Man, that looks good. I don't know about y'all, but that don't look cheesy enough to me. All 2 pounds. It's looking more like it. You can use whatever cheese you like. I use the Mexican 4 cheese, not to be confused with taco cheese, because taco cheese has taco seasoning in it. The Mexican 4 cheese does not. All right, now we'll go in with a little more cream. Go ahead and put all the rest of it in. We already drained these, but we're going to go in with 4 cans of tuna. wasn't quite enough, so we're going in with 2 more. You can put as much or as little as you like. And looks like for the 3 of us here, looks like we're gonna be inviting Mama to come down and eat too. We got a lot of Tuna Mac. So now everything's mixed up and in the pot. Now we're gonna season it up with a little salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and onion powder. I've already mixed all that up together in this container. The reason I do that is because I don't buy garlic salt. I don't buy things with salt in it because salt is extremely cheap and they charge you out the wazoo for it. So I go by the real ingredients and I mix up my own blends, which is going to be a part of Crazy Hillbilly coming up soon. We're going to start our Crazy Hillbilly cooking and adventures seasonings, and eventually hopefully barbecue sauces, marinades, and so forth. But this is just salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and I put a little bit of marjoram in here as well. You can simply season this up with just salt and pepper if you like. Making your own seasonings like this also lets you be in control of the salt. That way you can add as much garlic and as much all the good flavored stuff, and you are in control of the salt. When we start producing Crazy Hillbilly seasonings, they will be low sodium. We'll put very little salt, and then you can add more as you like. It's time to fix a plate and eat. All right, folks, everything is done. We're getting ready to eat here, and we're gonna dig in. Like I said, everybody's been working hard here in the shop, getting ready to get a big job fulfilled, and this is our dinner.
Very good. Very good.
It was very good. Before we go, I would like to let everybody know some adventures is coming this way. After the first of the year, we got several plans. We're collaborating with another YouTuber. I'll let y'all know who that is coming up soon. We're also going to Fort Payne, Alabama. We're going to be cooking 2 pigs in the ground in collaboration with a farm down there, and feeding the veterans. We're going to be going to Cape Lookout, probably spending a week out on the island. That's Cape Lookout National Seashore, North Carolina. We're going to go spend probably a week out in the Francis Marion National Forest, just outside of Charleston, South Carolina. We're going to be camping in the swamp. All sorts of good things coming up this next coming year. Hope y'all stick around and see it. Please like and subscribe.